Hi, I am Shruti, and in this video we will cover how to create links and navigate from one page to another in HTML. For the links in HTML, you have anchor tag, which is written as a tag, and when you write this a tag, you have this attribute named as href. Now, this attribute actually takes in the value, the URL of the page you want to redirect to. Suppose I want to redirect to a page that named as, suppose, let's say page.html. Suppose I want to redirect to this page, then I can just say this page.html and write it, click here, or I can write it redirect to page. Okay, suppose I did this. I have this URL right here. You can see that. If I click over this, I can redirect to slash page.html. Though this page doesn't exist now, but this is how you redirect. Now, links are of two types basically. So this one is actually a relative link. Let me show you what does that mean. Relative URL. I'll do the same thing and paste it up here. This is absolute URL. Okay, I have these two URLs. The absolute URL actually takes in the HTTPS and www.page.html. I'll do this suppose. So redirected to absolute page, and that say that is relative page. Okay. So now what's the difference between them? The main difference you will notice between the two different type of links is that absolute path always includes the domain name of a website, including HTTPS and www dot and then the website name. Like you can say the this .com slash page.html. This is how it actually happens. So now you have these both pages. Whereas the relative URL, the relative links only point to a file or a file path. Like this is a page.html, this is a file. This only contains the file name. But the absolute URL takes in the whole URL with the domain. So this is the difference between an absolute URL and a relative URL. Suppose this is the text written here and this is also the text written here. What if you want an image and when you click over that image, the image will redirect to that page. So this is also can be done with the a tag. So instead of writing this, you can just give an image right here. Let's say I have the image and I will put that image from, I'll take that image from this and I'll say 1.jpg, and now you have this image right here. If I just click over this image, let's give it a width of 100% so that we can see it. Now I'll just redirect to it this page when I click over it. So when I click over the image, it get redirected to that page. So this is how you can give whatever you want inside the a tag and it will be just redirected to that particular page. So I'm just currently taking this out. Okay, that's how it happens. One more attribute you have seen in a tag, and that is target. This target attribute actually takes in something like that we want to redirect to. Suppose I'll do this target as slash blank. Okay, if I do this slash blank, you'll see the difference. If I click over this, it got redirected to that page, but now we have the another page here, and it is not, it is different from this page, it is not inside this page. Okay, so and when we are redirecting this page is getting converted to that page, but here what we are doing is we are redirecting to the page but in the new tab of that thing. So this is how you use the target attribute This also takes in more values like parent, self, top to self. Then you will see that this will open up in this page only because it is the self. Okay, so it got opened up in this page. If I do here parent, then what it does, it actually opens up this in the parent frame, like in the parent frame of this page only, but not in the other page. If I do here, if I do here top, then you have this opened up in this page only, but here we can see that here it is opened in the full body of that window. Okay, so this is the difference between like top, parent, self, and blank. Most of the people use blank a lot because they want to redirect it to the other tab as only. So this is how we use it. So I'll also use the blank for now. So these are some of the attributes that you use in the A tag and whatever you can to keep inside it so that you can redirect it to that particular page. So this is it for this video. See you in the next one.